What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Gunfight Arena video. Today, we are gonna be using the new Jackhammer in the game Gunfight Arena. I just got this from the free Battle Pass, so let's go. Alright, so we just got the primary Jackhammer, as you can see right here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Wait a minute, where is it? Where is the Jackhammer? The Jackhammer? Oh yeah, here it is. An extremely rare 12 gauge bullpup shotgun. I do have like the Ash 12. It's also another heavy bullpup rifle of like a Russian heavy bullpup rifle. But the difference is that this the Jackhammer is like a 12 gauge bullpup shotgun. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Oh my god! I have never seen a gun this. Goddamn! Yo, why is it actually OP though? I just two shot. I used two shots and got two kills. Oh, that's my strat. Throw out the grenade. Okay, there is one good thing about this. It's that like you never miss your shot actually because of the. But then you get. But another thing is that you can get one shotted by sniper. That's the problem. People will just use like snipers, marksman rifles again. That's like the one bad thing. But the I am also using the what do you call it? The sawn something. The sawn off. Yeah, I'm using the sawn off with this. It's actually pretty good. By the way, another video is gonna be coming tomorrow. Yesterday I took a little break so I can just relax a little, but yeah. Tomorrow another vid is gonna be coming on the one of my new weapons I have just gotten, and yeah, I'm also gonna be completing tasks. Okay, so after that, after the video, the video after this one, after that video, I am gonna be making a video of doing a task. Okay, I'm gonna be making a video of doing some task. So yeah, make sure to be ready for that also when it comes out. I think it's gonna come out either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But yeah. Or by the way, and by the way, guys, I'm also gonna be posting Fortnite content. So if any of you guys play Fortnite, uh, then you're in luck because I'm gonna be posting bits of Fortnite. But not too many. Maybe once in a while, like once in a few days. Oh my god, it's actually automatic too. Look at it. Look at it. But no, it's semi-auto. I thought it was like a automatic one. I was like, what the? Because I've never really seen like a automatic shotgun. It's like a shotgun, not a rifle. Because my other one, which is a Russian bullpup, a heavy Russian bullpup rifle, not a shotgun. That guy is just camping. Got him. Why is the jackhammer actually pretty good? I think this might be my new favorite shotgun. After the, this is like my new favorite shotgun. You could compare this to the stakeout. Got him. Alright, I'm gonna push a little. Alright, yeah. Now I'm gonna go. Oh, there's a horde of them. What the hell? Yeah, bro. That was what. But let's use the sawn off. The jackhammer is pretty good. I would rate it like, could say, 9 out of 10. It's pretty good, but I think the size is like a little too big. Like the size is just too big. Yeah. Now let's use the sawn. I haven't really used this gun that much. Oh shit. Always I miss my shot when I need to make it at the most. Like when I just need to make the shot or I'll die. Then I miss my shot. But otherwise, I make my shot. This moped guy, Mope, whatever his name is, bro, this guy is a sweat. Calm down. Bro hasn't taken a shower in years. Bro, calm down. Go outside and touch grass. What the hell? When I touch grass, even though I'm like a complete sweat with 31,900 career kills, even though I'm a whole sweat, I still touch grass. Unlike that guy. Two shot. God, I hate this guy. Oh, I hate this. Okay, that's it. Die. Finally, I killed him. His avatar is stealing map, so you can't even see the guy. By the way, guys, I'm not gonna tell this right now, but there's also gonna be more new games content. Okay, there's gonna be another new game which I'm gonna be making content about in uh after Fortnite. After a few Fortnite waits, there's another new game which I'm gonna be making content about. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. Now I think we should rate the jackhammer. Okay, I think this jackhammer is kind of pretty good actually, because like I think I would rate it a 9 out of 10 because like the damage is good, the amount of shots in the magazine are good. Like it has a lot of shots. Look at this. It has 9 shots, and all 9 shots do a lot of damage. Okay, so you cannot say that this gun is even bad. Okay, I think the scope is also pretty good for this shotgun, as it's a shotgun. You can't really expect a good scope. So, I think pretty much this is like a 9 out of 10. The shooting is good, the mags are good, the damage is good. Almost everything is basically just good other than the size. The size is kind of big for a shotgun because I've never really seen like shotguns this big. So yeah, I would rate this uh 9 out of 10. Okay guys, so yeah, see you in the next video and make sure to stay tuned for more Gunfight Arena and Roblox content. Bye.